So the first, we did the Madrid step in an open position. Yeah, we do a basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When I noticed from a lot of leads, they were extending too much. The smaller you keep the follows frame, the better she's going to follow. The more you open up her frame, the more she's going to not follow through. It hurts a little bit, but we have to do a small frame. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, up. Here we turn to follow. 1, 2, we switch, and ass on the bottom. Yes? Follows, I know she's not looking at me, but at least you have like a little square that you have a vision that you can see what's happening. So in this case, there you go. So follows, be very attentive. We go 5, 6, 7. Make sure you end up with a tap, otherwise you'll be lost. If you're here, even foot, you can decide to go right or left. It's up to you. I mean, at this point, there's a lot of confusion. Right here, there's no confusion because I'm tapping with my left. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make sure you're here on 4. You turn on 5. If you do 4, you can do rock step, 7, 8, rock step, 7, 8, and eventually turn together, 3 and 4, and basic. Yes? But don't do the rock step and turn. Right there, sir?
Yeah, that's a lot.
That's a lot. Okay? So for the second one, let's do the whole thing together. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up, and 1, 2, 3, you tap, 5, 7, tap, 1, 3, you tap, 5, 7, tap, and 1, 2, 3, tap. The second one, and 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap, 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap, 1, 2, 3, tap, and 5, 7, up, 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap, and 1, 2, 3, tap, and 5, 7, tap. Yes? So to break it down a little bit more, I'm turning the follow. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. Or you can do tap, or you can do tap. That's up to the lead. 5, 6, 7, tap, and step, 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 tap, and then step, 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 tap, and then step, 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 tap. Remember leads when we do this one? 1, don't do 2. You're gonna do 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7. Make sure you square up. Boom. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap, and 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 7, tap. Yes? See you. Good job.